John Henry of Changeover.com with this month's Machinery Explainer from Frayne Industries. Rich Frayne and I wrote the book on buying packaging machinery. You can buy a paper copy on Amazon or download a free copy at www.fraynegroup.com/ebooks. What's a quarter second worth to you? Not much, you may think, but that depends on what you're doing with it. If you're indexing bottles on an inline filler, 250 milliseconds is a really big deal. Indexing time, moving filled bottles out and empty bottles under the nozzles, may be costing you weeks of lost production annually, a quarter second at a time. Still think 250 milliseconds isn't important? Two things happen in the normal filling cycle: indexing the bottles and filling. There may be other operations such as diving as shown here. That's another couple lost weeks per year. Is it really needed? We'll just focus on indexing and filling in this video. Both take time, only one is directly productive. Filling sometimes takes longer than it should. Make sure the filler is running as fast as it can without foaming or splashing. Then make sure it's set to the same speed every time. Indexing time represents some significant improvement opportunities. Indexing time depends on conveyor speed and index sequence. So first make sure the conveyor is running as fast as possible, consistent with smooth handling. All conveyors must have a tachometer and must be set to the same speed every time. I recommend a short length of conveyor dedicated to the filler so that it's not affected by other upstream and downstream operations. Some conveyors stop during filling. That's okay if you need to do it, but otherwise leave the conveyor running at all times. Indexing is commonly done using two pneumatic or mechanical fingers. Upstream or entrance is called the index gate. Downstream or exit is called the fill gate. The simplest indexing uses only a timer for control, and the two gates operate inversely. When the fill gate opens to let the filled bottles exit, the index gate closes to hold the empty bottles back. After a delay, the fill gate closes and the index gate opens. When the filler is finished, the gate sequence repeats. It's simple, but it's slow. You can speed it up by adding another solenoid valve and a timer. This lets the empty bottles start coming in before the full ones completely exit, as seen in this video. The smaller the gap, the quicker the index. Much better. Until we put a stopwatch on it, then we see that the index time is 2 seconds out of a total cycle time of 6 seconds. Adding a photo eye and counter to the controls will help. The photo eye counts the filled bottles out and closes the fill gate immediately after the last one. This allows a minimal gap between full and empty bottles, reducing indexing time to the minimum. In a future video, I'll discuss even faster ways of indexing, including star wheels, timing screws, side shifting, and more. Shortening index times slightly will increase productivity dramatically. Shortening delivery times increases productivity too. When you're waiting for machinery to be delivered, you're not producing. Frayne is number one in shortening delivery times. Need standard machinery like a cartoner, labeler, kettle, or mixer? Frayne has these in stock for instant delivery. Need custom machinery? Frayne has these in stock too, and their skilled engineers and technicians can prep them for you fast. Getting capital approved takes too long? Frame rents machines are complete lines to avoid buying or leasing. As the hamburger folks say, have it your way. Whatever you want, Frame makes it work for you. Visit them online at www.framegroup.com. Even better, visit their plant in Carroll Stream, Illinois, minutes from Chicago's O'Hare Airport. Hold on to your hat if you do, because their 1.5 million square feet of inventory will blow you away. I'm John Henry, the Changeover Wizard at changeover.com. I'll see you next month with another machinery explainer. Thanks for watching.